Hey internet, I haven't made a video in a while, and I got a new phone, so I thought I'd make a quick video about this PC that I'm working on for a client. Funny story about this PC, I've actually worked on it before. It caught on fire, and I fixed it. There was a Molex to SATA adapter plugged into the optical drive, which doesn't work anymore, but the client didn't use the optical drive and they didn't need a new one, so I just left it in to keep the bay on the front covered. But you can see remnants from that. There's some char here. The Molex to SATA adapter was a very cheap one, and I don't like to use those anyway. But for some reason, the guy that built this PC years ago thought that it needed it when this power supply has got plenty of upgrade paths available. So maybe he thought the cable didn't reach or what, but I've been working on it recently because it wouldn't boot, and all it was the RAM wasn't seated properly. It must have just bumped loose or something. But I got it to boot, and I think there's a lot of stuff that's strange about this computer. It's an Athlon 2 3-core processor, and it's running at 3.30 gigahertz, but it's a 64-bit processor running on 32-bit Windows. So whoever built this and upgraded it to Windows 10 upgraded it to 32-bit from a 32-bit probably. And it's got 4 gigs of RAM, and that's legit. There's two 2-gigabyte sticks. So yeah, this funny computer. For those interested, it's got a Thermaltake 430 watt power supply. There's like no 80 plus badge on it that I could find. I don't really like Thermaltake power supplies, but it's got a Western Digital Blue 500 gigabyte mechanical hard drive. It's got a Radeon 3000 graphics built into the chip, so it's got onboard graphics. But yeah, I thought I'd just share a little video with you guys. Funny story. So, peace out.